Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for those who are new, I'm Tessy Mwangi, and for a returning subscriber, welcome. So you guys, I've been this a while. Sorry for that, because I've been unwell, but thanks to God, I'm back with another banger. So yes, so let's get back to our video, and I'm going to be making a very fun cooking tip, let me say that. And we are going to make some amazing a small recipe, and very fast and easy for you to do while you are at home. So let's get to it. So you guys, this is the ingredients I'm going to be using for today. We have hot dog sausages right here, and I'm having black pepper, curry powder, salt, and some cucumbers. There is the vegetable oil, some toothpicks. Yes, so I'm having eggs, fresh eggs, and onion and tomato. So guys, this is a very interesting video, so keep watching, and please remember to subscribe and leave a comment, please. So let's start by cutting this sausage into two parts. There we go. But we are not going to cut it fully, so we leave it at that kind of shape. Then I'm going to take my toothpick. So that is the shape. Now we are going to make a small, that kind of shape. So for the toothpick, we are going to just attach it. So that is the angle. You can see the shape that I have already formed. This is what I want. So we are going to make like 2-3 shapes for that. Then, so the second one, we are cutting the same. Remember, don't cut it at full, because we want this section to be attached, so that we can just carve it like that. Take your toothpick and you just pin it to make that shape. That is the shape. You can see that. Let me attach it with another one. Yes, like that. So we set it aside. So now we are I'm going to put this now to my pan, to my cooking pan, and you add some oil on it, so that we can now start to beat the eggs. We are going to beat it right there at the center of that shape. So let's go. So now here's my pan with some vegetable oil. So now guys, here's my pan with some vegetable oil, like half a tablespoon on it. So remember to regulate your heat. Remember to be at low flame so that the egg could be cooked well, and also for the sausages will be well cooked. First, I forgot to tell you guys that the sausages already has been boiled. So while you just put it on the frying pan, it will just get the brown color, and it will be just perfect. So let's get started. I'm going first to place this sausage now with that shape there. Remember to keep the shape, yes, that shape. Then I'll take my egg. Remember to make sure that your egg is fresh. So here is my egg. I'm going to beat it right here at the center so that we can make that beautiful shape that I want. So wow. You see that shape? Okay, it may come to this part because it is spreading out in the pan, but it's okay. So that is what I wanted to show you guys. You can see. Make sure the oil is well spread in the pan so that the egg and also the sausage is not sticking to the pan, and at low flame. So now while it is getting cooked, I'm going to sprinkle some of the curry powder and the black pepper and some salt to it so that the ingredients will be getting into the egg and spicing it up. So you sprinkle a little bit. That's the curry powder. So the black pepper, a little bit of the pepper. Then for the salt, a little bit of it. So there we go. So we are going to wait for the egg to be well cooked at the bottom. Then we are going to turn it over. Yes, so guys, you can see that kind of shape and how beautiful it looks. So this is the fun fact of cooking at times. Make it very interesting as possible, and you're going to enjoy it. So remember to keep looking and make sure the egg is not sticking to the pan. So now we are going to turn it. Remember to have a very good spoon to hold the whole you guys. So I'm done with the tomato. I'm going to set it aside. So next thing is for the onion. I'm going still to cut them in a spring-like shape for the onions. Smiling to the beautiful snack I've just made. So guys, this is a small snack. You can just make it while you're at home. Have fun. For those people who have kids, you can make it interesting for them and enticing for them to get to eat the food. So it's there. So guys, that was it for today, and I hope to get to see you in my next video. Please remember to give me a thumbs up right there, leave a comment, and remember to subscribe you guys, and share the video with your loved ones. So guys, until next time, bye.